Hi, welcome to Crochet Smash. Hope you all are doing good. Here is a new neck warmer I made using the Houndstooth pattern. It's a variation of the lemon peel stitch. It's easy to do. First, you have to start with an odd number of stitches. Let us begin the Houndstooth pattern. We are going to chain an odd number of stitches. We are going to make 17 chains. The initial loop is not considered as a chain. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. On the second chain from hook, we are going to make a single crochet. Then in the next one, we are going to make a double crochet. Again a single crochet. We are alternating single crochet and double crochet. Since we made odd number of chains in the beginning, we are going to end with a double crochet in this row. If you have ever made the lemon peel stitch, you can do the houndstooth. That's just by changing the color at the end of 2 rows. That will be easier, so you don't have to cut the yarn. And we repeat this same style in the next row as well. Single crochet chain at the end. Sorry, I forgot. At the end of this row we made a double crochet, right? Then we chain 1 and turn. Then in the first stitch itself we are making a single crochet. Then the next one is double crochet, and we are going to make all the way up to the last one, and we are going to end with a double crochet. This is the last double crochet of the second row. We are going to finish it halfway through. Then we are going to add the black in here. Leave a long tail, then finish off the double crochet with the black one. Chain 1, turn. Again repeat the pattern. Now we are going to change the color again. Just getting this one. I didn't cut the yarn. It's getting this one just like that. Then chain 1 and turn. Another 2 rows of the white, and then we can change the color again. I will show you another method of changing the yarn. In this method, I am going to change the yarn after each row. So the unused yarn, I'll show you one more time. So this is my last double crochet, and I'm going to take my next color. Sorry, got it tangled up. Okay, I'm going to finish that double crochet with the new yarn, then chain one. Now I'm going to bring my white yarn in the back of the work, but I'm going to crochet over it. Single crochet and double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. Now we are on the last double crochet. There we are going to change the color again. Leave the black, then get the white and bring the black along with the row, and we are going to crochet over it. The Houndstooth pattern, it is not wide like the previous one. This is a little bit shorter, but it is nicer. So we learned how to change the color using in two different ways without cutting the yarn at the end of each row. Which one will be your favorite method? Let me know in the comments, and if you make anything with this pattern, please tag me on the social media at crochet smash, or add a hashtag like a hash crochet smash. Thanks for watching. Bye now.